Motivational moment number 92, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness seems to be quite the buzzword at the moment. Dr. Jud Brewer, a neuroscientist at Yale and MIT, has proven through his research that being mindful calms and relaxes the brain and decreases feelings of stress and anxiety. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment rather than worrying about the past or the future. A great way to be more mindful is to take 5 minutes twice daily to tune in what's happening around you. It could be when you're doing the dishes, cooking, driving, cleaning your teeth. When and where you do it is unimportant. During your mindful moments, practice tuning into everything you feel, hear and see. For example, when you're cleaning your teeth, listen to the water as it comes out of the tap. Hear the noise that your toothbrush makes on your teeth and any other sounds in the room. Note the toothpaste taste and texture in your mouth, etc. Get in touch with how you feel in that moment. Practicing mindfulness every day will encourage your subconscious mind to be present. It will calm the nervous system and help you manage unnecessary, automatic, worrisome or negative thoughts.